Today we're gonna follow this tutorial on bearing loads provided by the SOLIDWORKS software. First, you wanna click on Tutorials, and then next, you're gonna find the tutorial that you're interested in. For now, we're gonna go to bearing loads. And so we're gonna follow this step by step. Let's first download our resource. And so once it's downloaded, it will automatically open. And so we now have this pulley. Next, click on SolidWorks add-ins and make sure SolidWorks Simulation Premium is turned on. Make sure to click partial bearing load first. Make sure this is automatic, and then we'll use soft spring to stabilize model. And then next, we're gonna apply our material, and then we'll pick alloy steel. Next, we'll need to apply our restraints. However, since here, the restraints are already available, we could just actually follow this. But if you want to start from scratch, I'll show you how to use reference geometry. Click on this blue region, and then once you have done that, click on the bottom part of the pulley. And make sure that the line is blue when it snaps. Now axis 1 may not be showing up on your screen, and so to reveal that, click on this eye icon. Use the drop down and then click on the broken lines that look like our axis. Next, click on this section, and then once it's selected, click on axis 1. Now once you've done that, you will want to click on these two icons. Now for the bottom face, you will restrict the radial and circumferential translations. Once that's done, you will be able to see this. Now for the top edge, we'll do the same process, but we'll restrict the axial and circumferential translations. And then once that's done, you'll be able to see this.